to my channel. Happy 4th of July, first of all. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an aesthetic musically. So please stay tuned for this awesome tutorial. As said, I was going to make a tutorial on how to make an aesthetic musically, but to do that, you need to make some aesthetic videos. So, before we get started with the complete tutorial, I'm just going to take a few videos of me just doing random things, trying to make them aesthetic. So, I will be right back to you. Videos, I recorded 4 aesthetic videos. But guys, remember, aesthetic can be anything. It's just based on how you record it. The record has to have really good focus on the object, and that makes it completely aesthetic. So let's get on to the tutorial, shall we? So first of all, I'm gonna just take a look at my videos that I took. So here's we got some pine cones on the table, we got a Bible, and the window, and me playing with some fake roses. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to go to this app called KineMaster. And as you can see, it rotates you to landscape. And I'm just going to go to the menu. If you see this pop up, just press remind me later. I don't even know what that is. So you're going to press the plus sign and you're going to put empty project. As you can see, there's nothing here. So you're going to go to media and go to camera. And you're going to get your aesthetic videos that you just took. So I'm going to start with the roses, the blinds, the Bible, and the pine cones. Now it comes up as a slideshow of me doing these things. As you can see, it comes up in the black borders around it. We don't want that. So what we are going to do is we're going to press this little film over here. And all these options will show up. And you're going to go to rotate/mirroring. And you're going to press this button right here. And it's going to rotate sideways. But don't worry, we're going to be able to rotate it in the musically. So I'm just going to do this to all the other videos as well. Now our videos are rotated, that way the bars won't be around it. So what we are going to do now is we're going to click the film again and we're going to mute the sound of each video because we don't want that to be in our aesthetic musically. Now each video has absolutely no sound whatsoever. So now we are going to control the speed. Aesthetic is all about speed and beauty of the film. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the fill button again and we're going to press speed control. And I would recommend about 0.5, whichever one works best for you. I just like to choose it and then play it, and then if I don't like it, I will go again. So okay, I think I like that one. I'm just going to Do the same with all the other videos. Yeah, come on. No, I said 0.5, boy. Okay. Remember, anything can be aesthetic, so don't worry about, oh my god, I'm not outside. I'm not going to make a perfect aesthetic video. Anybody can make a perfect aesthetic video just by being in the house. Just go get random junk and bam, aesthetic video. But remember, take your time when filming because it's all about speed and motion of the beauty. Or beauty of the motion. Whatever, I don't know. I'm not a master. Right there. Okay, that seems about right. So we're just going to export this. And as you can see, it has this part. And you're going to watch it and make sure it's as you want it to be. Okay, so I like it. Oh, no, I do not want to delete that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the share button and I am going to go to export. Down here it says it has all these options like resolution and frame rate. Don't mess with any of that. Just press export because I do not know what happens. As you can see, it says upgrade to professional edition. That means remove watermark. Guys, I'm sorry, you cannot remove the watermark no matter how much you try. That thing is going to be there. So, while it's exporting, I would just like to tell you that I suggest going to Musical.ly and looking for aesthetic sounds and saving them as your favorite so you can upload the video and use the sound later on, or you could just download aesthetic sounds onto your phone. But I will get back to you as soon as this is done exporting. Okie dokie. So our video has exported. So we're just gonna go to the photos, make sure it's there. Google, come on. Okay, so it should be under the file export for you. So we're just gonna go here. Make sure that's the correct one. And it is. So, what we are going to do now is I don't have any aesthetic sounds saved on my Musical.ly, so I'm just going to go to this website called Amoy Share, and it lets you, keep as download music and videos and stuff. So, nothing's shown up yet. It says find free MP3 finder. It can be MP3, MP4, anything. I use it for both. So I'm just gonna type in aesthetic sounds. Oh crap, I spelled aesthetic wrong. Aesthetic sounds. And search. Now you see it says YouTube archive Jamendo for sharing. Make sure it's always on YouTube. So we're just gonna go here and just look through it, and as you can see there are a few options. Why is Lauren Gray there? Jeez. So I trust this one, and it looks like it has pretty good aesthetics. So I'm just going to press download, and this little screen shows up, and it says audio, video. You want audio, and it says 160K MP3 6.3 M. That's the Pro, and it won't let you do that. So click the 5.1 M, and it is downloading right now. And I don't know how long it's going to take to download. Make sure you stay on this page for a second. You see it's downloading right now, and I'm just gonna make sure that it downloads completely, and I will get back to you. So, because we had a little bit of technical difficulties, we are going to film some new aesthetic. So, I'm just gonna go around and find something to film. Where are you? Wait, okay. I just did a transition right there, okay? Just so you can understand, man. Light off. This light on. Alright, that's about good. So I'm going to see how that turned out. I did a few transitions with it. You know, aesthetic doesn't have to be all perfect and stuff. Just an experiment. On aesthetic musically. At the moment, I'm making a tutorial. So, yeah. Period. And post. So, just to sum it up, with the KineMaster little thingy, majiggy, that's how you make them aesthetic musically. This did not go as planned, but hey, whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.